Vybz Kartel performs Fever at Barclays crowd show. Kartel brought Fever to Barclays and the crowd went crazy. Let's run the moment. That's what makes Fever one of Kartel's biggest hits. Not just the melody, but how he turns it into a call and response moment. The bap 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 section locks the crowd in and then the hook drops and everyone sings together. World Boss showed again why he runs dancehall stages. Drop your thoughts below and stay locked to Sonic Snap.